Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF to your Google site. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we want to do is head on over to Google Drive. And now from here you want to go ahead and upload your PDF inside of Google Drive. So to do that, go ahead and click on New, click on File Upload. And now it's going to open up your folders where you can upload your PDF. So I've got mine sitting in downloads, a sample agreement. It's going to go ahead and upload this. And now this is going to upload to Google Drive. Now here it is here. So from here, we're going to go back to your Google site. And now from here, find the page where you'd like to upload that PDF. So if I want to put it in my About page, I'm going to go to About. And then on the right hand side, it will say Insert, click on Drive. And now it's going to say My Drive. Then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Recent because it should appear. Here it is here, that PDF. So I'm going to double click that. And now that's going to upload that PDF inside of Google Drive. And then I'll say people have access to the site. Portfolio won't have access to this. We can change that if we like. So we can change it viewer content editor. We can share it if we like, don't share. I'm just going to click on don't share. I'm going to click it there. So that's that PDF inserted into my Google Drive site. Into my Google site.